Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Today we are going to pan-fry salmon fillets topped with homemade teriyaki sauce. Look, who would not love this tender, flaky, soft, moist salmon? Let's get started. 2 salmon fillets. Rinse them in cold running water. Pat dry with a paper towel. Season it with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and white pepper each on both sides. Lightly salted the salmon will add a layer of saltiness over the sweet taste of the teriyaki sauce. Set it aside and marinate for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we will prepare the teriyaki sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of oil in a saucepan. Brown the garlic and ginger over medium heat. Then reduce the heat to low. Add in 4 tablespoons of mirin. If you don't have mirin, replace it with water or dry white wine instead. But mirin adds a bit more authentic taste to the sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Use 2 tablespoons of brown sugar if you sub mirin with water or white wine. Simmer for 3 to 4 minutes to thicken the sauce. We started off with 6 tablespoons of liquid. Reduce the liquid down to about 5 tablespoons. Should give you a good consistency of the sauce. Turn off the heat. Add in 1 tablespoon of honey. Do not add the honey in too early. Excess heat will degrade the beneficial enzymes and also affect the flavor of the honey. Mix well and the sauce is done. Add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Place the salmon inside up in the pan over medium-high heat. Cook until golden brown on one side, which takes about 2 minutes. Turn the fish over and cook the skin side for another 2 minutes. Flip again and cook for another minute for a total of 5 minutes. These fillets are 3/4 inch thick. Adjust the cooking time if you have thicker or thinner fillets. Pour the teriyaki sauce on top of the salmon and it's ready to serve. Sweet, savory, perfectly blended together, tender and juicy in every bite. This is a very easy recipe, but impressive enough for any of your guests. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.